Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to your GK class. Today we will learn very interesting facts about the fantasies. And what are these fantasies? These fantasies are animals and birds. You know, other than human, there are so many living beings. There are so many creatures that is created by God, and we should be well aware about these facts because they also have life. They also make their nest, they lay their egg, they reproduce, and they are very strange creatures as well in this world. So everybody should be well aware about these facts of the fantasies that today we will learn. See, firstly I'll discuss the complete exercise with you, and then I'll show you all those pictures that I'll give you in the answer. I'll show you all those as well as on the screen. Let's see and start with the first question. The first question is, and what is an octopus got three of that the human have only one? You know, octopus, I hope everybody has seen. I'm just showing you on the screen as well about the octopus. See what is the octopus over here. It is like this. It is the octopus which has three hearts. If you are able to see on the screen, you can see the octopus has three hearts. See, it is the shape of the octopus and it has three hearts. It's branchial heart, systematic heart, and it is also branchial heart. The two are branchial hearts, and in between that a systematic heart, and it is an octopus. I hope everybody know about the octopus. So let's back to the question. So our first question that we have done, that what are the two octopus? The two octopus are, so what are an octopus who got three hearts? It is octopus which have three heart, rather the man has only one. The second question, which is the world's largest lizard? I'm just going to show you and definitely you will afraid of. It is Komodo. It started with K. It is Komodo dragon. The name of that The name of the dragon lizard is Komodo. It is Komodo dragon. Let me show you in the another PPT that how the Komodo dragon look. You will be afraid of. So please hold your heart. It's really very dangerous. See, it is Komodo dragon. How horrible it is now. It's the world's largest lizard. I hope many of you just afraid of those small lizards that you find at your home. No need to afraid of from those lizards. If you want to afraid of, just afraid of these kind of lizard. This is the largest one. That is the Komodo dragon. Let's back to the questions and see what's the next is given over here. It is which animal, which animal indigenous to Australia has a name that means no drink. It's koala. It's koala. Here a drink is also. Let me show you the picture of koala as well. It is, see how cute it is na? It is koala. It is very cute. It's just name is very much similar to a drink. Let's back to the questions. The next question is, which reptile is noted for its ability to change color? I hope in your green areas, in your park, you have seen the chameleon. You have seen, I hope. Or if you have not seen, just ask from your parents. It's chameleon. Let me show you the picture of chameleon. गिरगिट जिसे आप कहते हैं. See, I just collected the pictures with the various colors. It can change its color, you know. It's a very horrible creature as well as with a wonderful feature. It can change its colors. You can see every time it is of the different color. So I have collected all these pictures for you, that you people just come to know that it is chameleon. So let's back to the questions now. Next question is, which primitive has the most highly developed brain? There is one primitive which has the highly developed brain, no doubt. I hope everybody knows the answer. It's chimpanzee. Everybody knows. Chimpanzee is the one of the primitive. It just look like monkey, you can say. It's a belongs to the family of monkey as well, but it look like humans also. Because what is the difference between monkey and human? We always found they have the tail, but we don't have the tail. And we were the human are seems to be very similar to these kind of monkey family. Don't laugh. And the next is, which animal regarded as one of the most intelligent of animal kingdom? Which animal? It is raccoon. I hope you have listened the name of the raccoon, which is regarded as one of the most intelligent animal in the kingdom. See, how pretty it is looking now, how cute it is. It is raccoon. Raccoon is very intelligent, you know. It's raccoon. How beautiful eyes it has, nose, everything. I hope you like it as well. Let's back to the questions. Our next question is, it is the only mammal to have a diaphragm. It's the only known mammal. It is not the mammal, because the mammals has the diaphragm. I hope you know that near the lungs we have it, because it is the organ which supports our lung. But there is a known mammal which is the only known mammal to have. There is a known mammal which have the diaphragm. It is crocodile. It is crocodile. So the answer is crocodile. I hope everybody has seen the crocodile. Still, I'll show you the picture of the crocodile as well. See how horrible it is looking. So it is the crocodile. Let's go for the next question. It is, what is the special about the crocodile eyelid? If you have seen the crocodile, you have seen the eyelid is on their eyes as well. What is special about that? It is the special about that their eyelids are transparent. Their eyelids are transparent. Transparent. Let's go for the next question. Which animal has become the symbol of the practice of medicine? Which animal has become the symbol of snake? Snake everybody knows. I hope you have seen as well. So there is no need to show the picture of a snake. The turtle can deliver nasty bite. The turtle can deliver a nasty bite. How many teeth does it have? Do you know? It's a very strange fact. None. The turtle don't have any of the teeth, but still it can bite. Which animal known for its playfulness, affection, temperament, and use the Indian princess for hunting? Yes, it is the only cheetahs. The next is, which is the only snake in the world that built a nest? I hope you have listened the name. Everybody knows King Cobra. King Cobra is the only snake in the world that built the nest. It's King Cobra. So it is all about the question, chapter, this page number. It is page number 20. Let's see what we have done in this page. In this page we have done these 12 questions, that is about the fantasies, and these questions are in which we just come to know about the first, that is about octopus. It's a very strange factor about the octopus, that the octopus has 3 heads, like the human has only one. And the largest visit is the Komodo dragon, and koala is the name that is related to the drink. And which reptile noted for its ability to change? It's chameleon. And which primitive? It's chimpanzee, which has brain. And the animal regarded as most intelligent of the, it's raccoon. Which is the only mammal have the diaphragm? It's crocodile. And crocodile eyelids are transparent. The symbol of practice of medicine nowadays has become the snake. And the turtle don't have any teeth, but turtle can deliver a nasty bite. The animal known for the playfulness, it is the cheetah. And the snake which built its nest, it's cobra. So it is all about the page number 20. Let's go to the next page, that is page number 21. It is about the birds. We know there are so many birds, and birds are very beautiful. They have feathers. They are very beautiful and the unique creature of the nature. The way they fly, they just spread their wings, they use their tail, and they are of different colors. They make their nest in the different way at the different places. So this is a very wonderful and an interesting creature of the nature. Let's talk something about these birds. Which bird can travel the longest flapping? Which bird can travel the longest flapping? It is Andean condor. It is Andean condor. CONDOR. Let me show you the picture of the condor. See, it is the Andean condor that can fly for 100 miles without flapping its wings. It is the Andean condor. It's a bird, you know, which can fly for 100 miles without flapping its wings. It's a very strange and wonderful fact about the Andean condor. Next go for the next question. It is how many times? It is how many times does an average house sparrow bring food to its nest? It's 220 to 260 times. 220 to 260 times. What is special about a woodpecker tongue? The woodpecker tongue is 4 times of the length of its beak. It is 4 times 4 times of the length of its beak. The next is, which bird's wing are used for swimming instead of flying? Yes, there is a bird which use its wings for the swimming, not for the flying. Usually it is known that the wings are for the flying. When we feel like that we are flying, we spread our arms like the wings and we feel like and we act like that we are flying. So it always means like that the wings are meant for the fly. But there is a penguin. These are the penguins which use their wings not to fly, in fact to swim. Which bird's nest was used by children in the Eastern Europe as a sleepers? Yes, which? It's Penduline titch. It's Penduline titch. The next is, which bird in India has been venerated as a symbol of fidelity and family unity? Which? Yes. Which bird in India has been venerated as a symbol of fidelity and the family unity? It is the crimson headed sarus. It is the crimson headed sarus. Which is the weakest sense of the birds? Which is the weakest sense of the bird? Their weakest sense is the smell. The birds cannot smell. They can smell, but it is their weakest sense. Which is the only bird that can move both upper and the lower parts of its beak? There is the only bird which can move its upper end. And I hope you have seen, many of you also have a pet like parrot. Parrot is the only bird which can move its beak up and down. Why do ostrich eat pebble? Why do ostrich eat pebble? Because it helps in digestion by grinding up the indigested food. Because it helps in digestion by grinding up the indigested food. The next, what what name is given to the loose hanging skin? Yes, many times you have seen the animals and the birds has a loose hanging skin. After completing this chapter, I'll just show you that, and that is known as the dewlap. What is it known? It is known as the dewlap. Which bird are known as flying jewels? Thousands of them were killed in the early part of the century, and their feathers are used for the women ornament as well. Yes, it is very much famous. It is hummingbird. It is hummingbird. The next question, which bird can throw its voice like a ventriloquist and to mislead the attackers? It's grebes. I'll show you the picture of the grebes. It's grebes. So this is all about for the day that we have to do. We have to learn so many wonderful facts about the animals as well as the birds. Now let's see the pictures that are left to show you. See, this kind of skin you always see, it is known as the burlap. Many times you have seen the skin like this, it is hanging under the neck, and it is the hummingbird. See how beautiful it is, how beautiful, how pretty, very small pretty, small pretty beautiful bird is it, the hummingbird. And it is the garab, it is garab. The last picture is of garab. So it is all about for the day that we have to do. We have done our page number 20 and 21. On the page number 22, sorry, page number 22, there is more information is given to about another fact. Let's wind up the facts about the animals and birds and go to the next topic, that is very important and plays a very important role in our life. Nowadays we are seeing that many of our kids just face the trouble of the stomach ache. Why they face the problem of the stomach ache? Because their food habits are not good. Firstly, whatever they eat, that is not good for their health. And many times, many of the people just feel like that we are having the good stuff, we are eating the good things, but still we are, we become ill. This happened to them sometime. Now, why this happened? This happened just because of food adulteration. Nowadays, food adulteration has become a very common activity, and that sometimes people have the stomach ache just due to contaminated food. Actually, contaminated food means that is adulterated. Many times the mixing has been done in the food. In these pages, the page number 22 and 23, the details are given to you. In our next class, I discuss with you people and you have to let me know which kind of adulteration take place in the these kind of eatables. But I'll let you know today that what is food poisoning. Whenever we have or we intake the food that is adulterated, means it has some mixing by, then we just caused by the food poisoning. Food poisoning, eating and drinking something that is contaminated with the germs can cause poisoning in our body. And what are the symptoms? Generally, it includes the vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. Abdominal pain means the stomach, and sometimes fever too. Diarrhea and vomiting may cause to the dehydration as well. Whenever this happen to you, because you know that the summer seasons are is also nowadays, and we should be well aware about this, because contaminated due to summer season, when there is a rise in temperature, it cause the it increase the chances of the infection. So whenever the chances of infection are more, you may get infected. So what remedies you should take? You should take the plenty of liquids and fluids. You should rehydrate the fluid and make your own rehydration fluid mix. How? Everybody has to take this, and you give to your parents and grandparents as well. Half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking soda, 4 teaspoon of sugar into 1 liter of water, and stir until the ingredients are dissolved before the drinking. You have to mix all these components into the water, and you have to take it to make your body hydrate. And gradually begin with the eating bland food. Means you have to take the food that should not be as much thick, that should add not much be tough. You should take the soft and the bland food, and take break from the dairy product for few days when you cause by food poisoning, and avoid the foods that can trigger nausea or vomiting. You have to avoid those food. I hope the meaning of the food poisoning is clear to everybody, and what are its symptoms and what are the remedies should be taken by you. Not only these remedies are to be taken at the time of the food poisoning incurred, moreover you should take care of your health, because nowadays the weather is not as much favorable. The summer days are going on and the day by day the temperature is rising. So you should take care of your health. You should have your body hydrate, and sometimes hydration cause just due to the high level of temperature, so you should take care of that. So you should take plenty of water. You should take this rehydration fluid as well, which give energy to your body and keep you free from the infection. So it is all about for the day that we have to do. You have to write and learn these pages, and if you have any query